How to fix crackling and popping audio on Realtek drivers, HP laptops. Introduction. Are you experiencing crackling or popping sounds with your Realtek audio on an HP laptop? This issue can often be resolved by manually installing a specific older working Realtek high-definition audio driver version. Follow these steps to fix the problem. Steps. Download the required driver. Visit the link in the description to download the driver file sp98270.exe. Install the driver. Run the downloaded executable file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. Then access the device manager after driver has installed. This may require a restart. Right-click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and select Device Manager. Navigate to Realtek Audio Settings. In the Device Manager, scroll down and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Locate Realtek Audio, then right-click it and select Update Driver. Update the driver manually. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Next, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Check the box for Show Compatible Hardware if it isn't already checked. From the list, select Realtek High Definition Audio with the version number 6.0.8923.1. Finalize the update. Click Next and follow any remaining prompts to complete the driver update. Restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. If this problem appears again in the future, check to see if the above driver is still being used. This worked for me after looking for a solution to this problem for quite some time. Thanks for watching.